Okay, sorry, we have to finish on here. So then our answer is, we gotta multiply it. Pi times 25 times 11 equals 863.9. And that's going to be inches cubed. All right, let's go to the back. Go ahead and work these out, and then I'll give you the answers for them. Go and pause the video. Okay, so your base was right here. Your height was 12. Okay, so B equals length times width times height. Your length 8 times your width is 4 times your height 12. Multiply those all together. You should get 8 times 4 times 12. 384. Yards cubed. Don't forget that. Over here, okay, we have volume equals pi times radius squared times height. They already have your radius, which is 4, times the height, which is 13. Four squared is 16 times 13. So pi times 16 times 13. Okay, they get 653 point, the 5's going to round the 4 up to a 5, and that's going to be inches cubed. All right, we're going to skip this part, go down to the word problems here. Okay, now Joseph is a fish tank installer. He recently built a fish tank for a client that has a rectangular base of 6 feet by 1.5 feet. He filled the water to a depth of 3.5 feet. What is the total volume of water that he can put in the fish tank? So just like we were highlighting on the back, I'm going to highlight here too, just to see what our base is, and then just to see what our height is. Now, when we talk about water in depth of a tank, okay, that's going to represent the height. So I'm going to highlight that so I know that that's my height. And then the area of my base, it says rectangular base, okay, of 6 by 1.5. So now I can write my formula. V equals length times width times height. My length is 6. My width is 1.5. I'm going to put 1.5 so I can put that in my calculator. And then my height is 3.5. I'm going to also do 3.5. So then when I put it in my calculator, I have 6 times 1.5 times 3.5, which equals 31.5. And that is feet cubed. Okay. All right. So this next one, Mrs. Kersey is doing back to school shopping with her 2 sons. She is trying to decide which pencil case to buy. One is a rectangular prism that is 3 inches by 1 inch by 7.5 inches. The other is shaped as a cylinder that has a diameter of 3 inches and a height of 7.5 inches. She wants to buy the pencil case with the largest volume. Which one should she buy? Okay, so we're going to have to do 2 different problems here. We're going to have to figure out the volume of the rectangular prism pencil case and the cylinder one. So we'll have 2 different things. So I'm going to split my paper in 2 for my 2 different problems, and then we're going to have to tell which one should she buy. Okay, she wants the one with the largest volume. So let's start with the rectangular prism. So I'm going to write RP for rectangular prism. Okay. Now it doesn't tell us what the base is, but if you notice here, we're just multiplying all the numbers together, and it doesn't matter what order we multiply things in, we're still going to get the same answer. Okay, so we're just going to take our numbers here and multiplying. So volume is equal to 3 times 1 times 7.5. Three times 1 times 7.5, 22.5. And don't forget inches cubed. Okay, now we're gonna do the cylinder. Okay, this one, volume is equal to pi times radius squared times height. Now, if you notice here, it says the diameter is 3 inches. Okay, remember the diameter is half of the radius, so half of 3 is 1.5, and then the height is 7.5. Oh, we gotta square the 1.5, sorry. So let's square that first. So remember, squaring is just multiplying it by itself. 1.5 times 1.5 equals 2.25. And we still have to multiply it by pi and 7.5. So here we go. Pi times 2.25 times 7.5 equals, we have 53, and I'm just going to leave it as 53, okay? B equals 53 inches cubed. Okay, so we're still not done. We have to answer our final question. Which one should she buy? Okay, she wanted the one with the largest volume. Okay, we have 22.5 inches cubed and we have 53 inches cubed. I think she's going to go with the cylinder. Okay, there we go. We are done with our notes.